Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be filming another advent calendar video, and I know last week I said I was going to do something a bit different this week because I was worried you were getting bored of them, but I got so many comments saying you're not bored of them, you want me to do more, so here I am doing some more for you. I don't mind, I love filming them, so I'm more than happy. So this is the A Little Something advent calendar. That's literally what it's called, A Little Something. A bit like me. I got it from Boots. I don't know what the brand is. Honestly, I don't really know, but I got it from Boots. It was £12.50, so super affordable. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying to do a full face of makeup with whatever comes out of it. Day number one, we've got this long... Oh! Okay, so inside day number one, we've got a little lip gloss. Lovely, love a good lip gloss. I don't, but that's fine. Oh, hello. So yeah, we've got a little lip gloss. It's like a little pinky tinge. As always, they just don't smell pleasant. What is it about these advent calendar makeup things? They don't smell nice. Put a little scent in there, a little bit of strawberry. It just smells horrible. But anyway, we've got a little lip gloss, so I'm gonna have to put it on. I'm literally putting on every single product. Have I said that yet? I'm putting on every single product in this one. So yeah, let's put on a little bit of lip gloss. That's actually quite nice. It's made my lips feel really soft. It kind of feels like I've just put a lip balm on and they just feel really soft and hydrated. Okay, day number two, we've got this little circle that you can't even see. It's here. Day number two was a little circle. I promise I'll get the rest of them in shot. And we have a blusher. That's pretty good. We've got a little blush in there. It's kind of like a corally colour and it's completely matte. So yeah, it looks alright actually. Let's give it a go. Hopefully it's better than the blush that we had in last week's advent calendar, because that was not a pretty sight. That was really bad, wasn't it? It's blending out really nicely and it's just adding a really like subtle hint of colour to my cheeks, and it's a nice shade as well. So yeah, I actually really like that. That is a decent blush. Hooray. Day number three is a little square down here. I can't get the blooming thing out anyway. Ooh, okay, so we've got a little kind of purpley toned nail polish. Not my favourite colour. It's not the best, but it looks okay. So you've got a little nail and then a little bit. What? So you've got a little nail polish in there. I am going to put that to one side. Obviously, I can't put that on my face. Day number four, big one. Day number four is literally like a massive square like that. What have we got? Wow, that's really satisfying. Maybe they are worth it. At least in this one you get two. In last week's we literally just got one. We'll give them that, but I can't put this on my face, obviously. You're right, love. Day number five, we've got another little circle here. We've got an eyebrow powder. So yeah, in this one, I actually get to do my eyebrows, and it looks like quite a nice shade actually. I feel like that is gonna match my hair really well. It's like a really nice dark brown, but it's quite cool toned. This could work. Oh no, wait, but it's a powder. I never use brow powders, so it's probably gonna look terrible, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. There is a lot of fallout, but I'll see what I can do. It's all falling out onto my nose. So, these are my eyebrows. They are definitely not my best. Actually, this guy, not so bad. Don't know what she's doing. What is going on there? Why is that one a guy and that one a girl? Never mind. It was just very messy. It was a very like powdery, messy powder. We can now move on to day number six. What on earth is that? What? Day number six. Can you see the shape? It's like a square up, a bulge, and then a bulge. Okay. Some scissors. They don't even... Oh. There's a little nub on the end. Some scissors. I cannot put that on my face, that's for sure. We don't want to start chopping things. They do have a nice snip to them, I guess. Why am I reviewing scissors? What has my channel become? Day number seven. We've got another little circle. Oh, I thought it was a highlighter. We've got an eyebrow wax. Okay, I mean, that could be useful. It looks shimmery. I'm having deja vu. I have a theory. I think this is the same advent calendar as that Boots one I tried last year, but it was called the Boots Advent gloss? Was it like the gloss calendar? I feel like it was called something like that. These are the same products. I think it's the same products, but they've just rebranded it as the, what did they call this one? The little something advent calendar. Whereas last year they called it the gloss advent calendar. It's the same products. I have a theory. I think I might be right. But anyway, we shall carry on anyway. Oh. Yeah, because that one had scissors last time in a weird shape. So yeah, apparently this is an eyebrow wax. That's what it says on the back. But yeah, it looks kind of shimmery, but I'll run a little bit through my eyebrows anyway. I'm just going to take a little bit of the eyebrow wax and, oh, I guess, no, I don't guess. It is shimmery. I'm just gonna run a really little bit through my eyebrows. What on earth? Why? Why would I want, why? It is literally making my eyebrows glittery. How very strange. I'm gonna have to do a bit on the other side so they match, but yeah, that's really weird. Is it even picking up on camera? Like, can you guys see the shimmer in my eyebrows now? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's really weird. Day number 8 is like this one here. So we've got like a little brush thing. What would you really use that for? I'm not sure. But you get a little brush like that. It's very skinny, very thin. Day number 9, we've got a tiny little square here. I bet it's a pencil sharpener. That screams sharpener. Oh no, it's not. So you've got one of these little hair clips that you can use to clip your hair, obviously. Day number 10, we've got this kind of long, thin one up here. Oh. I literally just watched it fall. It was a pencil. No, it wasn't. What are you chatting about? It was a nail file. I saw it just as it fell down. So we'll have to get that out at the end. Not that I really mind. I mean, I don't really need it, but you do get a nail file in there. Day number 11 is a little circle, which is promising. It should be another makeup item, I think. Oh, okay. Is that a highlighter? Oh, okay. It's an eyeshadow. So we've got a kind of shimmery looking eyeshadow. It's almost like a grey, bronzy colour. Yeah? No? I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just pop it on my eyelid. Oh, it actually does look quite pretty. It's kind of like a silvery shimmer, but it does actually look quite nice. I mean, as always with these cheaper calendars, there is a lot of fallout. It's really crumbly and it's not exactly showing up that much. Like, they're never like super pigmented, but it is doing a little something. Isn't that the title of the title? Isn't that the name of the calendar? A little something. Maybe that's because all of the products just do a little something. I don't even know if that's picking up on camera because it was really subtle, but I've just added a little bit of eyeshadow. Hopefully we've got another one to maybe put through my crease like a matte later on. Day number 12, we've got this long, thin one here. So far though, we haven't really had any duplicates, you know? Like last week's, there was 5 lipsticks in a row. So far we've got like a different thing each time, which is really good. So, I mean, now I've said that, I'm probably gonna get a duplicate, aren't I? Day number 12. Oh my goodness. Just as I said that, we've got another lip gloss. I mean, that's all right though, because I quite like that lip gloss. This is more of like a nudie shade lip gloss. So I'm just gonna pop a bit of that on just to moisturize my lips some more. Day number 13 is a little square down here. Oh, we've got another nail polish. Oh, the nail polishes are so tricky to get out. I found the nail file. He's poking out. He's made his way down. So that was the nail file from day number 10, I think. So yeah, you get another nail polish. This is kind of like a shimmer shade. Kind of like a similar shade to that shimmer eyeshadow. It's got that sort of silvery grey kind of tone to it. Do you know what I mean? There we go, another nail polish. I'm not gonna put that on my face. Day number 14 is another circle. Oh, it's kind of like a bigger circle, this one. We got a bronzer. Get a little bit of that. I really need to wash my brushes. They are disgusting. Can you please all remind me to wash my brushes? Just all comment down below. Wash your brushes, you dirty... Okay, you don't have to go that far, but just remind me to wash my brushes. I mean, it seems to be applying quite nicely. Yeah, it's adding... Oh, actually, Might have done a little bit too much, but it's adding like a nice little bit of bronzer and contour down here. Same again on the other side. I feel like I am doing a little bit too much, but it's all right. I'll blend it out in a sec. But it's applying really nice. Little bit up here. So that is the bronzer. I feel like it actually worked really well. I mean, I don't really have a bad word to say about it. It was just a decent bronzer. My camera's now running out of battery, so I'm gonna go and charge you for a little bit. I need to get another battery, don't I? So I don't have to do this. Oh, my legs. See you in a minute. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Day number 15. We've got this really tiny little one here. I have no idea what that could be. It's really, really small. It's empty. I'm guessing it's fallen down. A lot of these. Oh, I've got him. What is that? He's sharp. So we've got a pair of tweezers. To be honest, I could do without. I need to sort my eyebrows out. They are a mess. Day number 16. We've got another little circle. I wonder if we're gonna get a highlighter in this one. That would be really good. Well, that's not a highlighter. So you get a little sponge. Do you know what? That's actually really soft. Like, it's weirdly soft. Ooh, it's like really squidgy, but I just wouldn't find any use for this when I'm doing my makeup. I mean, maybe some of you guys use these kind of things, but I definitely prefer like a beauty blender style sponge thing than just like a little thin one like that. Day number 17. Okay, so we've got a little square here. Or is this going to be a pencil sharpener? I feel like it might be. I knew it. See, I know my advent calendars. You've got a little pencil sharpener in there. Typical. I knew he'd be in there somewhere. But anyway, day number 18, we've got another little circle. Oh God, don't be another squishy sponge. I don't want another one. Ooh. So we've got another eyeshadow. It is another shimmer. Kind of like a bronze. Oh, it's not kind of like a bronzy shade. It is a bronzy shade, so I'm gonna pop that on top. This one might show up a little bit better than the other one. In fact, I'm pretty certain it will. That almost slid off and went on the floor. That would have made such a mess. Whew. I mean, it is just like a bronzy kind of shimmer shade. It is definitely showing up a little bit better than the last one, so that's pretty good, but that does mean the fallout is showing up better. So I now have eyeshadow all over my cheek. They're not bad though. I feel like for the price, these eyeshadows are really not bad at all. You can't really complain. Because I mean, if you divide all of this up, I feel like each product is probably like pennies, isn't it? Like, yeah, less than £1 for each product. Day number 19 is another long, thin one. Okay, so we've got another lip gloss. This is pretty similar to the last one actually. It's another kind of nudie colour. I guess it's kind of got like a peachy tinge to it. I'm fine with it though. I'm gonna put another lip gloss on top because honestly, my lips have never felt so hydrated. I just ate a little bit. Day number 20 is a big circle up here. We've got a highlighter and it actually looks like a really nice one. It's kind of like a nice sort of champagne-ish colour, kind of. It looks like the sort of colour that I would go for. This excites me very much. Let's see if it is actually any good. Oh my God. I just realised that since I came back from charging my battery, I didn't turn my mic back on. So that means that section of the video, the sound is probably really bad. So I'm sorry about that. I mean, maybe you didn't even notice. I'm just gonna put my mic back on now, so hopefully the sound will suddenly get a little bit better. Hello, hello, hello. Does that sound better? I've put my mic back on. I'm gonna take a little bit on my brush. Okay then. I mean, I would say that is a pretty good highlighter. Like, it's a really intense one actually. I thought it was gonna be quite subtle because a lot of these products have been really subtle. Okay, yeah, it is definitely casting a bit of a line when I face forward. Why is it doing that? Because it's not too dark for me. Maybe I just put too much on. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the end of my nose. There we go. Oh wow, that's quite a lot. That is a really good highlighter. Look at that glow. Oh my goodness. Day number 21, we've got another long, thin one. I've just seen 24. That is a weird shape. I bet that's a mascara. We might even get a mascara. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Day 21, there's this little skinny guy here. I've got another one of these funny little brushes. This is just like a slightly bigger version of the one from earlier. Day number 22, we've got another circle one. I think we've got a matte. So we've got another eyeshadow and it is a matte brown eyeshadow, which is perfect. That is just what I needed to put through. just what I needed to put through my crease. So I'm going to do that now. As you can see, it's just like a matte bronzy colour. It's a very like cool toned brown. I'm not sure it's really doing anything. It's like a really light brown, so I don't know if you can really see that. Has that made a difference at all? I feel like it hasn't. Day number 23, we've got another little circle. We might have another eyeshadow. That is not an eyeshadow. What is that? Oh, I remember these from last year as well. This is definitely the same as the gloss one from last year. It is so similar. We've got these little hairbands again. I've still got my ones from last year. They're very handy. Got a couple more of them. Oh my God, that's really enjoyable. What have I done? We're on the final day and I think it might be a mascara because I don't know if you can see the outline. That just gives me mascara vibes. I don't know about you. That would mean an entire full face of makeup, which would be amazing. Well, that's not a mascara. Day 24, the final day of the calendar, and you get another little brush. So this one is a little bit big, well, it's a lot bigger than the other two. This is more of like a little blush brush, I guess. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel like the best quality. It's very thin. Yeah, I feel like that's not the best thing to end on, but never mind, never mind. We never got a lipstick or anything, did we? How strange. I thought there would be at least one lipstick in there, but never mind. We've gone for the natural look. I mean, I guess that is the best way I can describe it. It's made a very like natural makeup look. There's not much eyeshadow. The skin stuff was quite subtle. My lips are literally just a gloss. So yeah, it's very natural, but everything actually worked reasonably well, and there was definitely more of a variety of different products. Like, I'm only really missing mascara and maybe a lipstick, whereas last week I feel like by the end of it I looked so bad. I was missing so many products. I actually think this one is better and it's cheaper. Like, it's nearly half the price of last week's. So if you want a cheap advent calendar, I would pick this one over the last one. I think this might be the last advent calendar video. No, I think I'm gonna do one more, but it's a very different kind of advent calendar video. I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And yeah, I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Goodbye.